everyone, welcome to Shopback. My name is Ru,
And I'm Alex.
and today we are here to show you a snapshot of what life at Shopback is like.
So for those of you who do not know, Shopback is an online cashback site where you do online shopping, you can potentially get cashback on your online purchases.
So since its inception in 2014, Shopback has expanded from fashion to travel to rides and also food delivery.
And from our humble origins in just Singapore, we've now expanded across to over 7 different countries across Asia Pacific. So today we just want to give you a quick view of what it's like to work at Shopback. And maybe we want to start off by showing what we call the Wall of Fame, where we take a Polaroid of all Shopbackers who join the company. And we paste a photo of you here to commemorate you joining Shopback.
Okay, so next up we have our parade square. So apart from this being a place where we gather for our monthly town halls, it also doubles up as a place where our Shopbackers exercise together and have picnics together on Fridays.
And if you're feeling a bit stressed during the day, we've got a small recreation area where you can come and de-stress. So we've got cruise ball, we've got a table tennis table, and as you may see, the table tennis table sometimes doubles up as a work area for some of our colleagues.
So speaking of work areas, we have 4 meeting rooms in our office named after local delights in our respective countries. So Xiao Long Bao, Martabak, Teh Tarik and Jollibee.
If that puts you in the mood to get something to eat, we've got a pantry here that doubles up as a mini supermarket, where if you need a sugar spike during the day, you can come here and grab a quick drink or a quick snack to help talk you up a bit.
Okay, so we hope that gives you a quick snapshot of what life at Shopback is like.
And if you would like to find out more about what it's like to work at a startup, join us.